It's a good way to start the morning. I didn't have any memory left on my phone to get all the footage last night of the chaos, but yeah, that baby tipped on over, got on that soft edge right there. I wasn't paying attention, didn't listen to my, I was listening to my brain, not my gut, okay? My gut says stop because it was 6:40 at night, but yeah, my brain said keep working. Didn't work out too well, but mission accomplished. Machine's back up, it ain't broken, and I gotta get to moving some dirt, so check back in. All right, it's 12:30, just about. We're going back to work at 12:30. Show you what I got done so far after I got the machine out. See, it's running perfect, and it's only because I had to shut it off right away, get it flipped back over within 6 or 7 minutes, and let everything sit inside of it and get back to normal. So, not the first time I've ever flipped anything, that's for sure. All right, so if you remember, we had a big, huge concrete block that was way down low because the grade went straight down. So we'll be able to plant some plants here now. They have soil to live in. And yeah, got a little bit more dirt left. And that's where I had fallen over. These trees right here caught me, the little ones. But got all that back filled in, built up, and pushed over more. So overall, I'm happy with how it's going. And yeah, not too bad for a rookie, right? Down this line right here. Just gonna stop about right there. And that's a nice maple tree that'll get nice and big. Let me show you these maple trees and oak trees. They're amazing. This little guy right here gets 10 feet tall by 10 feet wide. Right now he's a baby. This is where we start, in the corner. So the purple will balloon up. Another purple back here that will balloon up. And basically you'll have a big purple pillow behind it. So we got Ty back here tamping the edge. Got Dalton and Ian down here raking everything out. Getting it nice and level. As soon as they're done, I'll be able to place the plants and take the machine back. All right, it's 3 o'clock. All the plants have been lined in their spots. It's been approved by the client, and we're good to go. Start planting. I'm taking the Toro Dingo back, and that's gonna take me about an hour and a half to get across town, drop it, get some snacks, come back here for these guys. They are gonna show how fast they can dig holes and plant plants. So we'll see how it all goes. As you saw, he was tamping.
Still am.
Talk about building some muscles, right? So yeah, he's got all that down there, and that's how much bed we got now. Because, like I said, a couple videos, watch. There's my property line again. We'll go down here and look. See? Yeah. 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 5:30 now. We have exactly 20 plants left, and there's 4 of us. So we're gonna jump on it, 5 plants each, and get this landscape installed in the ground, so the drip irrigation can come in first thing in the morning and get installed. So yeah, lucky for me, these plants are a year warranty no matter what happens, and they will be drip irrigated. So good stuff. Here we start. Boom. All those are done, so I'll walk you now.
Which ones do you want to see more up? You want them all more up or no? Some of them are, some of them aren't.
Yeah, the little Nandinas don't really stick straight out of the ground much, but the box ones are tough to use. Yeah.
Now, everything in the front doesn't need to.
Yeah. It's good if they stick up a little bit. It doesn't hurt it.
and then just smooth out that area. No, put it behind you. You don't want the spot there.
Yeah. Mission accomplished.
Yes, sir.
The mission was accomplished in good timing, so we're gonna go ahead and treat everybody to dinner tonight. I'm not sure where we're going, but I don't know. IHOP's right down the street, so we're gonna go feed the crew, and we'll check back in with y'all in the next video. Be good if you can. Always be kind, and above all, love each other. Peace. Winning Landscape Stop. I'm still trying to figure these guys out, but